All right, to start on this problem, let's remember that plus a negative also means to subtract. So really what this is 25x minus 11 equals negative 86. Now, if you think about this on a number line, and you think about, okay, I have some number here, and I'm going to subtract 11 from it to get negative 86. So I've got some number. I don't know what that number is yet, but I do know that I need to subtract 11 from it to get 86. So we need something that's 11 bigger than negative 86. So think about this. Negative 86 plus 11 is going to get you to 75. So that, or negative 75 rather, that basically means that 25 times some number is going to equal negative 75. What is that number you can multiply 25 by? Well, that number is negative 3. So I'm going to draw an arrow over here, and your answer is negative 3. 25 times negative 3 is negative 75.